We have a lot of updates to talk about as well as claiming 3 airdrops, but one of the most important piece of update is now, and this is the newest native hyperliquid trading platform over on mobile, which you need to go and participate in order to be eligible potentially for the hyperliquid next airdrop. Now, I know all of you trade on hyperliquid, which is great, but this one has just launched and it is native and it is backed by hyperliquid. So I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and sign up. It is an app to go and download, and then you sign up securely with your MetaMask, with your hyperliquid. You will see there is a straightforward tutorial, and as you see here, this is the app on the screen that I showcase you. This one is very important. Make sure to sign up and then utilize my code, which you will find it on the screen after when you go and sign up, or in the description down below. Why? Because this one gives you a 1 million point boost. So make sure to go and do it. And why does it give the point boost? Because as starting tomorrow, the is going to be this season 1. So today we're still in founder season. We're still at the early stages, and that's why they're rewarding you with some tokens, with some points. So make sure to go and sign up, use the code, and you are good to go and do it. And as we see here, this is the native hyperliquid trading on mobile, which is working on with the high IC3, as we see right here. We are trading over on the HIP 3, and it is very important. This is going to have an airdrop for themselves. It is going to integrate our wallet with the hyperliquid wallet. Basically, all the money that you saw here as well on the screen or before, all the money that you have on hyperliquid, you have it on this app, which basically allows you to trade over on hyperliquid just via the app with your hyperliquid account. So make sure to go and do it, because it is extremely important to do it. I know all of you trade on hyperliquid. This is something new that they have just launched, and this is the app. So make sure to go and do it. Important to go and do it. I cannot stress enough. We were talking about it, but we are still early, because tomorrow, Saturday, over here, the February 18th, today is February 17th. We're still on founder season, so make sure to go and participate right now. I cannot stress you enough. Go and do it. You will thank me later. And if you're not looking at my videos on time, shame on you. But if you do, congratulations, you are super early. Next up, talking about the airdrops to go and claim, we got the super form airdrop, which is about to expire, so make sure to go and claim this one. We then have the espresso airdrop right here to go and claim it with either your phantom wallet, with either your MetaMask wallet. Super easy to go and do it, which are extremely easy. The third one is the moonbirds. As we see here, the moonbirds airdrop, you will be able to go and find it on your wallet already, which it is another super important airdrop to go and find it. It was worth peanuts for me. However, the espresso and the super form are worth a little bit more. And the other one that I do want to remind you guys is to go and sign up for the Jupiter season 2 airdrop. This it is the new tab, the rewards. We got the active stacking rewards, and then we got the TCG reward season 2. So I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and sign up. It is going to potentially be a type of a trading and earning, so make sure to go and participate. If you trade, good, congratulations. If you don't trade, simply go and sign up and you will be good to go. And as we see here, you have to go and do it. So do it. Link will be down below, and thank me later. But very important, make sure to go and do the Dream Cash one, because it is the most important airdrop right now that just launched. So do not miss that one, and see you tomorrow.